Hi, welcome to MECHOLOGY. In this video, we are going to create exercise number 53. In this exercise, we're gonna use offset entities, revolved bows, and mirror feature so that we can get it done with good space. So let's go on SolidWorks and create it. And select new, select part and apply OK. Here select front plane and go to sketch and select the center line. Select vertical and with finite length and apply here. Now here select this 3-point arc and draw one arc like that. Okay, and now select this center and select this center line and make coincident, and radius of this is 51. Now select a line and draw one vertical line up to this arc, and here select trim entities and trim this one. Select smart dimension, and this dimension is 48, and select again smart dimension, and this dimension is 70. Now again select the line and draw one line like that, and this dimension is 130. Sorry, it is 90, not 130, it is 90. And now select offset entity and select this one. Make sure the cell is same, and here select cap ends with lines and apply OK. Now go to features and select revolved bows and apply OK. Make sure the offset here, check this one first. Offset is 10 mm only. Okay, and now select again front plane and here select plane, and it is 130 by 2, so it is 65, and apply OK. Now select this plane and go to sketch, and now select circle and draw 3 circles here. That is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Now select the center point of this circles and select this outer edge and make concentric. Now distance from this is 70. Okay, we need to now, okay, the center is constrained. Now we need to apply dimension to this. It is 90 and it is 48, and the middle one is 20. Sorry, this inner one is a 28, and apply OK. Now go to features and select extruded bows. Select this contour and just reverse it, and here select up to next and apply OK. Now again select extruded bows and here select sketch again this one and select this one, and here select offset, and it is 5 mm. Just reverse the offset and reverse also this one, and it is 10 mm only. Apply OK. Now again select extruded cut, and here select the same sketch number 2 and select this one, and here apply up to next. Now just hide this plane. Now select this face and go to sketch. Now select circle and draw one circle here and make construction. You go to dimension, and dimension of this circle is 66. Now select the circle again and draw one circle here. Diameter of this circle is 12 mm, and here go to circular sketch pattern and select this circle. Here select clear selections and apply this point, and go to features and select extruded cut, and same select up to next, and now select the mirror, and first select the front plane and select the features and select the all 4 and apply OK. Now select this face and go to sketch, select circle and draw one circle here. And for constructions, select smart dimension, and it is 66. And now select circle and draw circle here. Diameter of this circle is 12 mm. And here select the circular sketch pattern, select this circle and apply OK. Now go to features and select extrude cut. Now select up to next and here apply isometric view. Now go to cut extrude and here select body and apply the color. Now our exercise has been completed. Please share, subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.